So my main love language, the way that I like to receive love, feel love, whatever, is words of affirmation. So can someone explain to me why the fuck I'm so terrible at giving them? Like, to the people that I love and care about the most, it just feels unnatural for me to say the positive things that I'm thinking in my head about them, almost to the point where it's like stuck at the back of my throat and there's like a wall up where it just like, it doesn't come out. I'm just like, I love that you do this, but in my head. Obviously, that can cause some issues. My husband is amazing and wonderful and great, and he is so good at giving words of affirmation to me, which is what I need. But for whatever reason, I can't give them back. And so in my most recent therapy appointment, my therapist, who was also a child psychologist at one point, was like, well, one of the things that we do for children to make them feel loved, safe, and secure is offering praise. Your therapy homework is to praise your husband for every little thing that he does that you appreciate. I have been trying to make it a point to praise my husband. I told him about my therapy homework and he said, all right, get on your knees, bitch. He didn't say it like that. But yeah, so I'm working on telling the people that I love and care about that I love and care about them and not feeling weird about it and uncomfortable. If you struggle giving your love out in the way that you like to receive it too, cheers.